Do you want to know what Wesley did after he got laid off in March because of the pandemic? At 63, Wesley tried to stay safe at home by looking for an online business to support his family. After going from one failure to another, he finally came across the secret email system, written by a legendary online marketer who's made multiple 8 figures online. Now, Wesley is so excited about making his first $3,764 online by following the step-to-step guide in the secret email system. He says he's well on his way to tripling that amount by the end of his first 30 days. Do you want to learn from a seasoned marketer who's been in the trenches for over 11 years? Yes. Do you want to skip the expense and headaches of trial and error and take the shortcut to success? Yes. Do you want to recap the fruits of someone else's labour? Is that a yes? Smart choice. Well then, simply follow what's been proven to work. The secret email system is so straightforward, even a tween will easily understand it. Go ahead, click the Learn More button and see for yourself. Head on over, click that button.